Hello, this is Peter. Here we're going to learn about Cpanel. Okay, you are welcome to your Cpanel. Well, we have done a little bit of a Cpanel previously, but I want us to do this again. So we're going to look into subdomain. We have created subdomain in the beginning where we started, but I just want us to have a recap. We're going to create a subdomain. So you click on the subdomain icon, then you put in the particular subdomain you want to create. So let me just pick a name that I was going to be choosing before. Let me say example dot creatinglimelight.com. That's how it's going to be. And this particular subdomain, I'm going to use it for our second project, because we're going to be creating a corporate website. So as you can see, it's done. Below we can see the subdomain we created. So don't forget, if you want to go back, you can always click on the menu or click on the Cpanel button to go back to the home page of the Cpanel. So next we're going to Softiculous. Softiculous installer is the installer that helps us install any of the CMS we wanted, any of the CMS we want, like WordPress and the rest of them. So from here we can also manage our installation. So I want us to manage some of the installations we made previously. As you can see, it's stating that I have 9 installations, so I can edit any of them or update any of them anytime I like from here. So these are all the websites I've installed. Okay, so let me just edit demo. We created this together, so let's see how it works. And also remember that on your Softiculous you can change the password of each of your website. In case you have issues with your WordPress site and you want to change the password, you can do it from your Softiculous. Okay, so if you made a mistake in the previous installation, you can edit it there. Let's look at the PHP selector. This enables us to pick a PHP version, because you understand that PHP is a programming language. So there are some script or plugin you can install, and it will tell you there's something missing, you have to upgrade to the newest version. It must be 7 points, from 5.0 upward to 7 points. So this is where you can do those changes. Okay, just in case you get a warning that you need to upgrade your PHP version, that's where you do it. Let's check file manager. File manager, this is where all your files are being stored. Just in case your website is giving you issues, maybe you want to log into your WordPress site and you're having issues, you put in your password. It's not as if you forgot your password, you put in your password but it's not working. These are just common issues that happens. The first thing you need to do before you start calling a web developer, go to your plugin section and try to deactivate each of the plugin to see if it works. So to deactivate any plugin, all you need to do is just to change the name. To get access to your plugin, you just go to WordPress content. From WordPress content you go onto to plugins, then from plugins you see all your plugins there. It's that easy. Over to your email section, so this is my email account dashboard. So all you need to do, these are all the emails I've created, the emails account, and Namecheap gives you opportunity to create lots of email accounts depending on your package. So let's click on the create button down there. Then it's going to ask you which of the domain name do you want to use to create your custom email. Let me just choose one. Okay, I'm going to choose this one, Creative Limelight. Then the name on your email, I just want to use info, and I'll put in my password. Or if you are having issues choosing your password, you can just click on the generate button at the right hand side of the bar. Then it will automatically generate a password for you, but that's not the best for me because I can easily forget it, so I don't use that option. So it's determining if my password is strong enough. So yes, I made a very long one. So next, I create. Click on the create button. And I want to stay on this page after I click create. So it has been done. So to access my email account, that's what we're going to do next. So look at it, looking good. info@creatinglimelight.com. In case of next time, you can click on manage to manage it. You can also come here to change your password anytime you like. So click to check your email. So it will direct me to webmail where I'll do my login. Okay, so let's log into our webmail account. So I'll just put the name of the email and I'll put the password I selected when I was creating the email account. And then put in my password quickly. So they'll ask you to choose a default webmail application. Well, you can just choose anyone that suits you. I'll just go with the first one, set as default. And this is my dashboard, a webmail dashboard. So any messages that is being sent to my email, maybe I place this email on my website and I say contact me via this mail. Whenever somebody sends any message, it comes directly here. So this is how it looks like. It's just like Gmail. And this is the instruction manual. So pretty much that's just it. It's simple as ABC. Okay, so these are the basic things you need to know about Cpanel, because Cpanel is another course entirely on its own. So I think these are the things you need to know as a beginner. So I'll see you on our next class.